Hello everyone, today I'm so excited to talk to you, but we're gonna talk about a specific thing. There are a lot of you on my channel that say they don't have any reason. There is a reason for that. The first reason will be maybe you don't set up everything properly about the market code. I'm speaking to people interested to do pay-per-call business just to drive traffic. Second reason can be the budget. You don't have a budget enough for the product that you want to promote. There are a lot of products that if you try to promote them, you don't have money, you will lose. It's like an auction. There are a lot of people who spend thousands of dollars to get clicks, but if you come with $20 for the specific product, you will lose yourself. So, my advice today for you guys, one thing we have to do, try to choose product that is not really competitive. So you can see that just go into Google Keyword Planner to see the search volume. For product over 100,000 search volume in a month, you need a lot of money to get some result. The reason is because the competition is sometimes so high. And if you just go from product that have search volume, keyword related to this product have search volume from 2,000 search per month up to 20,000 maximum. You can make a compilation of keyword like this. You have this amount and you just want ad. But if you want to run ad, don't just run ad something broad. Try to put something like review about the product. Try to put something related to people who search for review, because people who are looking for review, they already know about the product, they are aware about the product, and they are ready to pay, they are ready to spend money. But if you want to get some result, the best thing to do is to target people that is search for the product, like people who just type review about MacBook Pro, review about Nike Air Force One. So when people type review about the product, they already know about the product. They just want to have a second opinion. They just need people to tell them something that they don't really know. So how I earned up to 50,000 last year on affiliate marketing, it is because I use this strategy that I show you. The strategy is to use something that doesn't have too much competition, because you are new and you are a beginner. There are a lot of people who make more money than you, and they are ready to reinvest their money on Facebook ad, uh, Google ads. This is why I show you some other ways, other paid traffic method that you can use as side uh, option, or as option that you can use. Because sometimes if you just put yourself on a method that related to Facebook. This is what every Google will send you. Go to first Facebook or to Google, try to see if you can run ad. So after 3 days or 4 days, you will be discouraged. You will say, it is not made for me. The problem can be maybe you don't do your targeting properly, or you don't do things properly. The second reason can be your budget. If you have a low budget, it is difficult for you to see success and result. And one other tips I wanna give you. This is as a bonus. I ought to give that to you for people who want to run offer related to pay-per-call business. I will suggest you to contact your manager. When you contact your manager, one thing you wanna get asked to these people, ask them if there are some mail database about email leads of people that already bought this product. If they can give you access to these emails, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to Facebook or to Google. You're gonna create a lookalike audience. Lookalike audience, or a retargeting to these people, because every company will promote. They have some database related to the product, so they have some sales. This will be easy for you if you can use something that is already existing. You contact the owner of the product or the manager. You just ask them, can you provide me some audience, some custom audience emails, like people who already bought this product because you have their email. They can give you some uh, CSV file that you can upload or download, some XXL file, some Excel, I don't know, any type of file will have the email of this people. What you're gonna do with this? When you go to Facebook, you're gonna want add, you're gonna see where it says audience. You can go to where it says custom audience. You can just click here and upload these emails of custom audience. What will happen? Facebook will retarget these people. You will not create an ad directly to these people. You're gonna create a lookalike audience. It's like you're gonna say to Facebook, people who are like these people who are ready to buy my product, I want you to retarget them for me to make them buy the product, because Facebook is good at this. If 500 people buy a product from you, you can create a lookalike audience. When you go to Facebook, or you want to see where it says create a lookalike audience, they're gonna ask you if you have a file that you can upload, or if you want to just make your targeting or target the interest. So you're gonna do this. Contact your manager. Ask them. So I'm promoting in health assurance product. Did you have an email database of people that already uh, use this product? Some email base that you have. They will be so happy to give you the list of email that you can retarget on Facebook or on Google retargeting. So this is how a lot of people use this method. Sometimes you watch a video about John Crestani, and it's like you see it is really John Crestani that advertised. No, it is not really John Crestani. They just use a lookalike audience. They retarget you, and any of their affiliate can retarget you because you already visit the page of John Crestani. So John Crestani just make available the lookalike audience some tools to their affiliate, and they use them to make a retargeting ad. And those people who are visited, or maybe who don't buy, or people who are looking like audience, they gonna see, oh, this product I think will be good, because they are people who have the same purchase behavior like other people. And Facebook know that every day. The browsing story of these people tell Facebook this is the type of product they want to see, and Facebook will go exactly to these people. Not only Facebook, the same thing for Google. So today I just bring some advice for you guys, because I want you to have success and make money on pay-per-call affiliate marketing. If this video bring you value, guys, please comment down below. Let me know that you're gonna try this method that I show you. It was your boy Vanel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.